The Swift Pod is an innovative concept that merges the nostalgia of night trains with the futuristic potential of autonomous driving. Inspired by the discontinuation of night train services, particularly in Germany, the Swift Pod aims to provide a sustainable and comfortable long-distance travel option. The concept is designed to allow passengers to travel overnight while asleep, offering an eco-friendly alternative to air travel. The Swift Pod is named after the swift bird, known for its ability to sleep while flying. This analogy underscores the pod's primary feature, enabling passengers to travel long distances comfortably and efficiently. The pod accommodates up to 2 travelers, featuring a comfortable bed as its main attraction, along with a comprehensive media system, snacks, beverages, and storage options. The design of the Swift Pod is minimalistic, emphasizing functionality over aesthetics. Its triangular shape maximizes interior space while maintaining a small footprint, making it ideal for urban environments. The pod is envisioned as a fully autonomous vehicle, likely powered by an electric powertrain, which further optimizes interior space with a flat floor. Passengers can order a Swift Pod online, specifying their desired pickup time and location. The pod's navigation system autonomously calculates the required speed to reach the destination on time, taking advantage of low traffic periods for efficient travel. The journey can be customized with stopovers at attractive locations, enhancing the travel experience. Designer Peter Stulz and his studio Zoyo developed the Swift Pod concept, envisioning it as part of a commercial fleet. The pod offers a versatile interior that can function as a mobile office, relaxation lounge, or bedroom. It features 2 single beds, seats, fold-down work tables, and a nook for drinks and snacks. The pod's inbuilt displays provide real-time information and entertainment options during the journey. While the Swift Pod is currently a conceptual design, it represents a forward-thinking approach to long-distance travel. By combining the convenience of autonomous vehicles with the comfort of a hotel room, the Swift Pod offers a glimpse into a future where overnight travel is both sustainable and luxurious. This innovative concept addresses the declining availability of night trains and provides a modern alternative that leverages advancements in autonomous driving technology.